Hello everyone, dear friends. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can make your own reels on Facebook. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and write comments after watching. So let us get started with you. Open the Facebook app on your device. Next, go to your account and here, scroll down a little bit. Here you'll be able to select an option called Reels under your Post section. Or you'll be able to just at the top, for example, if you already had some videos you've been adding, then right here you'll also be able to find the video option and just go to it. So you click on Reels. Now you'll need to select a video from your gallery, and then you can also, edit the video further. For example, you can add a caption to it, you can add music, you can add a mark and so on. Then click Continue. Now you can also, friends, for example, on the next page you can also add some more changes. For example, you can set a time when you would like to publish such a video. You can also choose whether it will be public, that is, for all Facebook users or not. You can also add, for example, a collaboration with someone, geolocation, and so on. After that, just click Publish Now. So you'll publish such a Reels video, and literally after a few seconds of loading you'll see that it's already on your page. That's how you can quickly and easily, friends, make and add Reels on Facebook. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments. Take care, friends.